Hello and good afternoon. Today we're here to ride Guardians of the Galaxy. Now, this is a preview that we're going to be experiencing before the ride actually opens. This is a good test for Lindsay because normally she can't do these type of rides. So we're going to give our honest opinion at the end to say how it actually impacted her because she does get motion sickness. So let's see how this goes. And the ride has already went down for the day, but it is supposed to come back up. They're just not sure exactly when. We were in line for about 10 to 15 minutes before it started going down, and then we waited in line for about 30, and then they emptied the whole queue, and that's even inside. So I feel bad for everybody that was actually almost all the way to the very front. So let's see how long we have to wait until we get on the ride.
Architectural styles inspired by the many cultures and species who have traveled across the galaxy and call Xandar home.
An innovative urban planning. From the start.
You grow up so fast, especially when you're modern.
It would appear so. I am Nova Prime Irani Rayan, Commander of the Nova Corps. On behalf of all Xandarians, I hope you have enjoyed exploring the wonders of Xandar. As you have seen, your world and ours were born of the same moment, one which you refer to as the Big Bang. As such, we are all galactic neighbors in a vast universe which we and countless others share. For you to travel to Xandar would take 2.5 million years, assuming you had a ship that could fly at the speed of light. So we decided to come to you. But even we could not have reached you so easily were it not for the Cosmic Generator, an advanced piece of Xandarian technology that creates jump points, artificial tunnels that act as shortcuts, linking distant points in space. It is our desire to share this wondrous technology with your people so that together we might explore new worlds and create a brighter tomorrow. And now, as the culmination of the wonders of Xandar, you will be teleported to a Nova ship above your planet for a demonstration of the Cosmic Generator. I trust you will find it an unforgettable experience.
They call themselves. What? I'm on? Someone needs to tell me when I'm on. Welcome, Epcot Terrans. I am Centurion Tal Merrick, and we're just about ready to teleport you up to the ship for the demonstration. As you're about to enter a secure Nova area, I must ask you to put away your Terran communication devices at this time. Recording of any type is strictly prohibited. I am very serious about this. Now, please step forward into the chamber. You're gonna love this. Okay? Stand by for teleportation. Here we go. You made it! I mean, of course you did. Nova Prime, they're ready.
Excellent.
Turn off that alarm. I've got an important transmission coming in.
Hey, what's up, Nova Corps?
Our Cosmic Generator has been stolen.
What?
How?
Why didn't we think of that? That thing's gotta be worth a fortune.
I am Groot.
Good question.
Yeah, who do you think took it?
Perhaps that really big man outside your ship. Oh, that is a big man. I need to alert Nova Prime. I have been watching Terrans for dogs.
That's not creepy at all.
This species has failed.
Wait, whoa, we didn't even know there was a test.
He's got the Cosmic Generator. And he's creating a new jump point.
Jump point to where?
Not where.
It's some kind of mutant jump point.
He's going back to the dawn of time.
Dawn of time, why?
To erase some error.
Well, that doesn't sound good.
Your time is over.
for you. This plan is never gonna work. Rocket! Well, okay, I've locked onto your vehicle.
We'll be right behind you.
Nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man, then you're likely doomed.
Rex!
Good luck! You're gonna need it.
Terrence, this is Centurion Merrick again. We're having a little bit of trouble with our ship's airlock, and it appears we need to open it manually. Now, no one has ever had to do that before, and to be perfectly honest, we don't know where the instructions are on how to open it. We're looking everywhere, and we do appreciate your patience. Oh, we got it! You're good to go! Let's do this!
Boys, no one's gonna stop rock and roll from existing. What have we done?
I think we're jumping back. All the way back.
All the way? To the Big Bang?
Oh, Christ. That's the Big Bang? The Big Bang!
There it is! Holy shit! We got the generator! Hooray!
Oh, yeah?
Sing it!
I will destroy you.
We did that all the time.
It's about time. Of course it is about time. Have you not been paying attention? Nova Team, link your Star Blasters. We have them contained, but not for long. I will rock it perfect.
Yeah, well, nobody's perfect.
Not a word.
Sure is. Stands for every person comes out tired. And welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy.
We have no room in our ship for these new guards.
Drax, it's an honorary title. They're not coming with us.
I see. It is meaningless. Well then, welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy. Now where's that cake toast?
All right, we just got done with the ride. Lindsay, what did you think?
For a person who has motion sickness, I thought that ride was a 10 out of 10. It was absolutely fantastic. There were some parts where I felt a little woozy. I just shut my eyes and it was fine. If anything, it was just a feel-good, fun ride with the music that goes with the scenes. The backwards launch is literally out of this world. And I am not a roller coaster junkie whatsoever. Seven Dwarfs Mine Train is my jam. And this one was fabulous. I'd go 500 times again.
This is my third time doing it, and it gave me goosebumps each and every time. I'm so glad we got a different song on this one. What was it this time?
It was September.
Such a good theme.
I felt like I was just dancing along to the music the entire time. Again, as a person who is prone to motion sickness, I cannot ride Soarin', I cannot ride Star Tours, and I cannot ride Flight of Passage. This one I could handle. Again, there are some points where the car is turning and I got a little lightheaded. I just shut my eyes, and by the time the car turned forward, it was less than a second and I was feeling fine again. So those of you who have motion sickness, be sure you either take something or definitely take the chance, because it is smooth, very smooth.
This is such a great attraction here for Epcot. It is perfect, especially taking over the universe of energy. So we're so glad that we got the opportunity to ride it, and of course share it with you, and especially Lindsay's experience for anybody that gets motion sickness. And that's gonna do it for today's adventure. Thank you so much for coming along with us and getting our honest opinion about this great ride. And it's such a great addition to Epcot. Now, if you do like this type of content, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification button so you get notified every time we come out with a future video. Thank you so much. We'll see you in the next exploration. Have a great day, week, and year.